Hey everyone, this is Sarvam Rai from Designy, and in this video we are going to walk through our Content Planner Spreadsheet. This spreadsheet is specially designed to help you eliminate confusion while selecting the right topic to work on and clearly track your content production stage from idea to posting. This is not just a simple walkthrough video. This is a complete guide including how to research topic using Google Trend and how to properly use each phase of the spreadsheet. So let's start step by step. Step 1. How to purchase. If you have already purchased the product, you can skip these sections and move forward. But if you have not purchased it yet, here is how you can do it. Go to the descriptions of this YouTube video. There you'll find the Etsy link. Click on the link. This will take you to the Etsy store. Now once you are on the Etsy store, please click on Add to Basket. Once you click on Add to Basket, click on the basket in the top right or in this icon. Once you are in the basket, click on Proceed to Checkout. And if you are not logged in, you can continue as a guest, or you can sign in or register your account. Once you are signed in, please complete the payment process. After completing the payment process, now click on your account. Now click on Purchase and Review. Once you are in the purchase section, scroll down and find the Content Planner Spreadsheet. Once you find the Content Planner Spreadsheet, in your right you'll see the Download Files button. Just click on Download File. Once your file is downloaded, now click on File Explorer. Click on Downloads and find the PDF file that has been downloaded. Once you find the file, just double click it, and here in this file you will find a thank you note, a setup PDF guide, and a few additional requests and shop link. Now come to the first page, that is to the thank you note, and click on Start Copy Now. Once you click on Start Copy Now, this will take you to the Content Planner Spreadsheet. If you are not logged in, please log in through the Google account first, and once you log in, now click on Files and click Make a Copy. Now give your file a name and click on Make a Copy. Once you make a copy, let it load, and when it loads, you can see the Content Planner guide menu. Just click on it. This has few tabs where you can see the full guide. Below you'll find the Setup Calendar Auto Trigger. Just click on it. Please let it run, and on the bottom left, after a few seconds, you can see pop-up message saying that the trigger has been successfully installed. Once the trigger has been successfully installed, your spreadsheet is ready to use. Now let's talk about the overview of the spreadsheet. This spreadsheet contains 9 sheets, that is Dashboard Sheet, Calendar Sheet, Phase 1 Sheet, Phase 2 Sheet, Phase 3, Phase 4, Phase 5, Phase 6 and D1 Sheet. The D1 Sheet supports the dashboard calculation. Please do not edit it. Some important note: do not rename any sheet, do not delete columns and rows in between, do not insert columns in the middle. You can add rows at the bottom of Phase 1 to Phase 6 table if needed. This sheet works with the app script, so structural changes may break the functionality. The two big problems we solve with this spreadsheet is, as a content creator, we usually struggle with two major problems. One, what should be the next content topic? At what stage is my content right now? Is it scripted? Is it recording? Is it editable? Is it scheduled? Is it delayed? This spreadsheet solves exactly these two problems. So now let's go to the Phase 1 sheet, that is Niche Intelligent Mapping sheet. Here you define your foundation. You will enter long-term identity, current content focus, target audience, audience pain point, audience desire, and content goal. This helps you clearly understand who you are creating for. For example, if you are in beauty and fashion, your long-term identity may be the skincare education or the beauty and fashion. Your current content focus might be acne-related skincare or just the skincare. Your target audience might be the woman with age between 20 to 30 or men age between 20 to 30. Your audience pain point might be the acne, oily skin, blackhead, etc. Audience desire might be the clear, glowing skin, etc. Your goal might be authority, growth, sales, or any others. This phrase helps you clearly understand who you are creating for, what kind of audience you are looking for. Now let's go to the Phase 2 sheet, Trend Radar System. This is where we do the proper research. We have provided the Google Trend as the free research tool. Click on the Google Trend link in the sheet. This will take you to the Google Trend. Now once you are there, click on Explore. Here you can add the search term, like in my case I can add acne skincare. Now hit the search button and you can also see the search option. like web search, image search, news search, Google Shopping, and YouTube search. So let's select the YouTube search. Now scroll a little bit down. Here you can see the top queries like acne prone, skincare routine, etc. So, and in your right you can see is the rising queries as well. So here you can see the different keywords as well. Now next what you need to do is take a pen and a paper. Please note the relevant keywords that you might think to make content of. Now in the top you can also see the trending now. You can use that trending now button to see the recent trending topics as well, such that you can try to relate it with your keywords. You can use that trending now as well and find the recent trending topics as well. If you are having trouble in finding the keywords, you can also use the suggest search term. Here in the Explorer you can see the suggest search term topic. Click it on and add your relevant keywords. Like let's say in my case is I add acne skincare. Once I add it, I can just click on find search terms and it will give some more search terms for me. So here I can see is the compare salicylic acid with benzoyl peroxide. So it is more, I think, related to the some acne related chemicals is used for a treatment. From here I can get an example of common keywords like let's say salicylic acid. So I can try using ChatGPT or any research tool to do some research on why is salicylic acid used in the acne skincare, and what's the difference between salicylic acid and benzoyl peroxide in skincare. Is there any research done recently that they have a bad side effect in the skin, and also which is the better, any recent issue that has been found in this industry that is very harmful using particular chemical. This keyword help you clearly define your topic, organize all related keywords, identify what area you need to work on, and generate more focused idea to expand and develop your content in detailed and structured way. So here in the right you can see some more topics like salicylic acid, retinol, and some other acne cleanser, etc. You can also use those specific topic and try to find some relatable research. You can do some research based on that. Since we are only deciding the topics, so these are the more common things that people are searching for. You can use that terms and do some research and find a new topic keywords. Once you decide all the topics, you can come again to the phase 2 sheet and write those trending topics over here. Like you can directly add the keywords, or you can mix it or match it over here and write them in the trending topics. And here you can also add the source where you found that a particular topic from. You can also find why it's trending. So to find why it's trending, you can use some research tool as well, or if you can do some other research as well, you can use that too. And thirdly we have is the audience reactions and opportunity angle. If you can identify the audience reaction, you can keep that too, and opportunity angle as well, so you can keep that too. And this is not necessary that you write the trending topics, audience reactions, and opportunity angle. So if you don't have any idea about it, you can just keep it blank. This is just we are trying to find the best topics on which we can make the video, so you can do that. Below it you can find another table which is the platform scan. So what we do is we have in the column A we have is the platform. You can select that specific platform and use the relevant keywords that you have found on your specific platform and see what is working over there. When you find that specific keyword, what are the videos that's being made, which format is it being made, so what are the popular hook style, topic is saturated or not, is there any gap identified by you or not. You can keep all that information over here. After this we can move to the phase 3, that is idle development lab. Now you can combine everything over here and create a raw idea title. So for example, in column A you can write stop using this skincare product if you have acne, or you can just try matching with your present keywords that you have found. So you can try matching or them and try creating a new raw idea title that you have found on which you want to work on. You have an idea, so you can also add the problem, what problem it solves. So it might be the awareness, general awareness to the people about the recent findings about the chemicals that is used in skincare. You can add that. You can also select the emotional triggers. So presently it might be fear. You can also select the content type. It might be the explainer presently here. and if you can give the unique angle, and if you can have a differentiation, if you can create a unique angle, you can keep that. Any related trend, if you have through the trends, if you have found it, you can keep that. And effort level you want to put into that video, you can also keep that. So once you enter all the raw idea titles and the details over their sheet, you can directly go to the phase 4. Here in the phase 4, that is idea validation engine. Now you score each idea from 1 to 5 based on trend relevance, audience need, uniqueness, monetization potentials, competition level, execution ease. This sheet calculates the total score, and higher the score, stronger your idea is. This sheet helps in removing the emotional confusions on which topic you should work on. And after you do all the scoring process, whichever the highest score you have, you can take that specific topic to the phase 5. And once you are in phase 5, you can add the final idea you have in your mind. You can select the platform in which you want to create on. You can select the format. You can also create the hook lines. You can also select whether it's taken to the phase 6 or not. Once you write all the details, you can go to the phase 6. And here in the phase 6, this is the productions tracker. Here you need to add the content title, select the platform, format, hook line. You can also save the descriptions. If you have the tags, you can also save the tags. It's used for tracking. So here you need to select is the production stage, on which production stage it is, and when is the deadline. And the deadline you need to select in the date, month and year format, since this will be used in the calendar sheet as well. So keep the format same, do not change the format. So whenever the production stage changes, you need to also change the deadline here. And next we have is the thumbnail design or not. And next we have the planned upload date, so you can plan when you want to upload that specific content. And next we have is the schedule posted date, if you have any schedule posted. Lastly we have is the actual posted date, like when you have posted the final content, you can select that. And finally we have is the status, if it needs attention, in progress, schedule, posted or delayed. So you can select that specific status as well. So if it's delayed, you can also select the delay region. You can also put the delay region, and finally keep the notes. And this completes all the stage where from selecting the specific topic and tracking the production stage. Now next let's go to the calendar sheet. Here you need to select is the month, select the specific month, select the specific year. Once you select the specific month and specific year, the calendar takes some time to load, and once it loads, you can see the details over here. Like here you can see the days, dates and some datas with respect to that days. Here you can see the actual posted date, scheduled date and planned date. Okay, so these are the 3 different things you can see with respect to the phase 6 that has come from. Actual posted means the date when it's actually posted. Now you can see when it pops up, you can click the phase, you can click the icon. This will take you to the phase 6 specific row, and you can see the details over in the phase 6 sheet. The actual posted date is the date when you posted the content, scheduled date is when you scheduled it, and planned date is when you plan to upload. Now finally we have is the dashboard. In the dashboard, here you can see in the green box we have is the inspiring line, which will update on the daily basis for your inspirations and the motivations, which automatically uploads. Below it we have is content with respect to the platform distributions, content with respect to the format distributions, in which format the content is, and below it a present status, like in which status phase it is, and content with respect to the thumbnail is prepared or not, content with respect to the status again, like is it in progress, started, scheduled, posted or delayed. And we have always the today's content, from where you can see is the present content, or how many content presently today are have the deadline, how many content presently today have the planned to upload, how many content presently today are scheduled to be posted, and how many content are actually posted. And below it we have is the total content for upcoming 7 days. This shows all the content with respect to 7 days. Have you any deadline for the upcoming 7 days or not? In the upcoming 7 days, have you planned to upload any content? In the upcoming 7 days, have you any plan to schedule post date? Okay, you can see from here. In the right you can see the total upload this month, where you can track how many content was uploaded this month. And this complete our spreadsheet. Here we have not created any analytics like the performance analytics. Why we don't include performance analytics is because platform like YouTube and Instagram already provides advanced analytics. Adding analytics here means manual data entry, like it's the double work for you. We focus on what truly matters, choosing the right topic, tracking your workflow. And we also don't have the complex setup, like we don't ask you to enter the platform URL, a thumbnail of each video whenever you post, and all the details about it to just make it look beautiful and fancy. This spreadsheet is built to work, not to look fancy. At first it may feel detailed, but once you understand it, it becomes your structured content system. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, check the link in the descriptions and support our small business. This is Sarvam Rai from Designy. Thank you for your time and effort.